Okay, sorry, I swore I wouldn't start every video saying okay. Anyway, okay, I'm going to go over the tabular method for integration by parts, and it's good for integrals that look like one of these three things: a power of x times cos x, cos kx, sine kx, e to the kx. And the book does an example of using something like this. So I'm going to introduce it on this. And so here's the method. You set up this table. You put u in all its derivatives and dv in all its integrals. And so this is my u and this is my dv. How do I know that? Well, that's what we've done before. When you have this kind of integral, u is always your power of x because it reduces the power of x with each application. If we did this by hand, we'd have to do integration by parts 3 times. So this method is a way to accomplish the same thing algorithmically, in other words, without having to think about it too much. So here's my u, x cubed. And then I'm going to keep taking its derivatives until I get to 0. First derivative, 3x squared. Second derivative, 6x. Next derivative, 6. Derivative of 6 is 0. And notice how I alternated plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. I'll show you why that is later. Okay, so here we're going to write dv and all its integrals. So that's dv. So v is integral, remember, dv. So anyway, so we integrate here. We're going to get, using this right here, we're going to get sine minus 3x over minus 3. That's straightforward. Okay, so now I integrate sine kx, and I'm going to get sine minus 3x over minus 3, but it's already over this minus 3. I'm sorry, integral of sine is cos. Integral of sine is minus cos over minus 3. So I have, that's going to turn into a 9. I have 1, 2, 3 minus sine, so I'm going to get 1 minus cos minus 3x over 9. Okay, now I integrate this. So integral of cos is going to be minus 3x over minus 3, but I already have this over 9. Double minus, so I'm going to get cos minus 3x. These minuses cancel. This is times this, 27. So now I'm back to another cos integral. Oh, sorry, I did it again. Integral of cos is going to be minus sine. Sorry. So I'm going to get the double there. Okay, I'll get it right this time. Integral of sine is minus cos over minus 3. But I already have the 27 here. Double minus is going to cancel, so I'm going to get cos minus 3x. That's going to turn into an 81. The minuses cancel. So just to double check, you want to make sure you alternate cos, sine, cos, sine, cos. That's always going to happen. So what I do now is this is the way you list it out, is I go first like that. So I'm going to get this plus sign, which I won't write, x cubed sine minus 3x over minus 3. Now the next term is going to be minus these two things. So I get this minus 3x squared times minus cos minus 3x all over 9. Okay, so I get that one. Now I read this one. I'm going to get a plus 6x times this, sine minus 3x over 27. And I read this one, and that's my last one. I stop. I get minus 6 times cos minus 3x over 81. Okay, so now what I need to do is simplify things, which I'll do here. So this is going to be x cubed sine minus 3x over 3 with the minus sign in front. Now here I have 1, 2 minus signs. That's going to give me a plus. That 3 is going to cancel with this, leaving a 3. So I get make that clear, x squared cos minus 3x over 3. Okay, this next one, 6x over 27, 3 goes into each of these, 9, I get a 2. So I get plus 2x sine minus 3x over 9. Sorry, let me get this out of the way like this. And this last one, minus 6. 3 goes into here twice. 3 goes into here, 27. So I get minus 2 over 27 cos minus 3. And let's not forget the c, so I get that. So here is my answer. Right here. Okay. Again, what did I do? U and all its derivatives. dv, v, integrate v again, integrate that again. And so I got these, and I wrote those down. I stopped writing when I got a 0. And to read off the answer, first part is plus this. That's right here. Some double checking. That looks good. The second is minus 3x squared times this. Yep. The third is plus 6x times this. Yep. And the last one is minus 6 times this, which looks what I got. Double check my canceling. Minus 3x cubed. X squared over 3. Double negative gives a plus. Plus 6, 2 over 9. Yep. Minus, get the canceling, 2 over 27. 6. Yep, that looks good. Okay. Have fun with it.